important events. So, friend, we are talking today about the one famous incident which had happened in the Assam, Hojai district in Assam. You have seen that these days are gone in the pandemic COVID-19. In this day, you have to listen several of the ceremonies, several of the patient of the COVID and as well as the mucormycosis patients is also in every hospitals. Some of the state has been declared the pandemic mucormycosis is a pandemic like that COVID-19. But if we are talking with you about the COVID-19 is a pandemic disease that has been in 13 January 2021 has been declared by the WHO, World Health Organizations. Today I will tell you one important incident which have happened in the Hanoi Hojai district in Assam. Friend, you have listened that doctor named सोच कुमार ये डॉक्टर हैं, एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर थे, एमबीबीएस ये एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर हैं. फ्रेंड्स, यू नो दीज डॉक्टर्स आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ये कहाँ से हैं? आसाम से हैं. आसाम में इन्होंने एमबीबीएस किया था. इंटर्नशिप एक साल कंप्लीट करने के बाद इंटर्नशिप 1 ईयर का था, वो कंप्लीट करने के बाद में एज ए डॉक्टर्स ही वॉज डिप्लॉयड इन ए हॉस्पिटल इन COVID-19 ड्यूटीज. आफ्टर दैट वन पेशेंट हैज बीन डेड इन द हॉस्पिटल दैट डॉक्टर सुरेश कुमार ये है एक प्रजापति हैं ये एक he was treated yesterday afternoon. He was treating the patient. The patient was COVID positive. Then after the patient had death in yesterday afternoon or Tuesday 2nd June afternoon 2021. Then after all of the relatives and his friend, the patient relatives and the villagers and the friends also was there in the hospitals, and they have beaten to the सुरेश कुमार प्रजापति को they have beaten with the sticks and as well as utensils. Friend, you see that in these situations, if any of the patient which is suffering from the COVID-19, this is difficulties to go near to him, but patient has been also in nervous. In these situations, the doctors also treated with them. Due to the severe attack of the COVID-19, the patient have died. That Suresh Kumar doctors have told to everyone, but never understood to the statement of the Dr. Suresh Kumar, and he was beaten by absolutely very abnormal manners, and then after the case has been filed in 24 persons, whose 24 persons has been arrested by the police of Assam. You know the persons which were patient relatives, friends, and the some of the villagers to the some of the villagers to the patient. That's why things. Friend, in these situations, as you know, in the September 2020, the President of India has been passed a bill to the Parliament that if any pandemic hospitals worker or frontline worker or doctor will be beaten by the any persons, he will be face the consequence, and some of the he will be face some of this Julmana, and some of these arrested by the police, and some of the persons will be arrested by the peoples, and some of these persons will be faced for giving money to the hospitals only. That's why things this incident was a very unhappening that everyone have not to do to this type of the any mobilities, because all of this near about 70,000 doctors and workers also involved in the pandemic disease. So we have to salute our doctors and workers. Thank you.